patong sa ulo, ano, buhok ba yung tinatanong mo? Ano? Madulos yun. It's not for me to answer, but sabihin ko lang nga talaga, DILG, we have a dedicated team. We are an ongoing operation to locate Senator Bato.
Sir, kung makalabas siya ng bansa through barko, papuntang Brunei or Malaysia, will you pursue, will you recommend to the DOJ na maglabas na ng HDO kasi meron ng ilbong nilabas earlier on?
Well, ano na yan that is already, yung question nyo kasi meron na tayong presumption tayo, ano yan, mahirap sagutin yan kasi hindi pa naman nangyayari So right now, I'll go back to what I'm saying. There is an order of DOJ for us to arrest Senator Bato. So we have a team, dedicated teams to locate him and arrest Senator Bato.
Direct last na pinapatanong lang, magkakaroon daw po ba ng like wanted posters? Wanted posters for Senator
Marami na
Bato?
nagpo-post
Pinapatanong lang.
Marami nang nagpo-post, diba? May mga gumawa na, no? So, ang hirap nun, is now fugitive from justice, he has to answer, sir, the law, no? Galing siyang law enforcement. So, I think, dapat alam niya kung ano yung tama niyang gawin.
Sir, sorry, last na. Sir, may mga expert kasi na nagsasabi na kapag naaresto si Senator Bato, dito muna siya ikulong at wag mo nang ilipad sa ICC hanggat may pending pa na mga motion, petition sa Supreme Court. Possible ba yun, sir?
Well, that is their position. That's one problem also now is social media, no? Ang daming ng abogado, ang daming ng expert, ang daming ng magaling sa law enforcement, no? So, leave it as that, no? Pag na-arresto namin, we'll turn over to the DOJ, and DOJ will proceed kung ano yung gagawin.